What's up guys, Wazz here again, and in today's video we're checking out the recently announced P50 Pocket from Huawei and comparing it to my experience with the Galaxy Z Flip 3. What new improvements, new innovations does the Huawei P50 have? So let's get straight into the video. I feel like I have a stroke. Let's get straight into the video, shall we? So let's start with the OG, the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Let's look at what it has better than the P50 Pocket. I'll just call it Pocket from now on, you know, like Pocket, that makes it simpler. First off, 5G capabilities. Now, the Pocket is not 5G capable, unlike the Z Flip 3, which is. So when it comes to future-proofing in terms of network connectivity, the Z Flip 3 stands out. Second is the design, and this is a personal opinion. I prefer the design of the Z Flip 3 to that of the Pocket. I don't know, I just like that boxy feel. The boxy feel, it makes it much sturdier in my hands. I use a device like that has round edged and it doesn't feel as grippy, so I use a case that is much more boxy, so that gives me that grip, you know, much more sturdy. I'm not saying the P50 Pocket is less durable than the Z Flip 3. I'm just saying the design, I like it the way it is on the Z Flip 3 than the Pocket. The third thing is the operating system. This is going to be what makes or breaks the Huawei P50 Pocket. So as it stands now, the Pocket is going to be released just in Asia, China, and then other regions in Asia that is going to be released in. It's not a global launch. Z Flip 3 runs Android 11, upgradable to Android 12. The Pocket, on the other hand, runs on Harmony OS 2.0. There is going to be a global launch sometime, but for now, it's just in Asia. And now let's take a look at why you might want to get the P50 Pocket over the Z Flip 3. First off is dual SIM, dual nano SIM, plus an SD card. There is options for an SD card. Let me be really specific. It's dual nano SIM, right? Because dual SIM could be nano and eSIM like we have on the Z Flip 3. The Pocket just has two, you can't take two physical SIM cards, and then plus there is option for an SD card. Yes, you don't get to see this on a premium device. So the display, I think, is also kind of better in some sense. So we have a 6.9-inch huge OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, 21:9 aspect ratio. So you're not getting any borders when you're watching a movie or a video widescreen on the Pocket. On the Z Flip 3, we have a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, 22:9 aspect ratio. And then the battery, we have a 4000 mAh battery with 40 watts fast charge on the Pocket. What? 4000 versus 3300. 40 watt fast charge versus 15 watt fast charge. Before we go to the pricing, let's talk about one of the biggest improvements in the Pocket. You see, Huawei has made its name in the smartphone, manufacturing industry, consumer technology industry as one of the most innovative brands, one of the most innovative OEMs, manufacturers. What I'm talking about here is the Hinge technology. Shout out to their engineers, as Marcus said. We have the Hinge now closing in with no gap when you look at the Pocket, unlike the Flip 3 where you see a kind of like a rectangle gap in there when you close we thought that was it. That was how all flips could ever get. There has to be a gap because that's how the Hinge is supposed to lock at. But Huawei has just proved that no, it is not, and they patented that technology. Even during their presentation, Yu Shangdong actually said that whoever or wherever you see any other flip smartphone, clamshell flip, the foldable device that has its Hinge locked without any gaps in it, then it is the Huawei patented technology they are using. Finally, we have the pricing. 256 gigs of storage coupled with 8 gigs of RAM, which is the base version of the Pocket, where the Pocket actually starts at and sells for $1,000. It doesn't stop there. $1,400. $1,400. 128 gigs storage with 8 gigs of RAM. That's the base version of, you know, where the Z Flip 3 actually starts at, and that costs flat. It's $999, $1,000. So that is it. That is just an update for the P50 Pocket compared to the Galaxy Z Flip 3. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are here till now, big ups to you. Like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and keep wearing a mask. It's Omicron out there, so please keep wearing a mask.